What if I told you that your money is either working for you or against you? There's no in between. If it's just sitting in a bank account, losing value to inflation, well, you're basically paying a hidden tax. But imagine if that same money could be quietly growing, multiplying, and setting you up for financial freedom. Whether you have just $100, $1,000, or $10,000, today I'm breaking down exactly how to invest at each level for maximum returns. And trust me, you'll want to hear this strategy for $10,000 because it's an absolute game changer. But before we dive in, let me ask you, what's stopping you from investing? Fear? Confusion? Thinking you need a ton of money to start? By the end of this video, you'll see that none of that matters. Let's get started. If you have $100, the power of small investments. Look, I get it. $100 might not seem like much. But investing isn't about how much you start with. It's about consistency and smart choices. Here's where you should put your first $100. 1. Fractional shares and ETFs. You don't need thousands to invest in big companies like Apple or Tesla. With apps like Robinhood or M1 Finance, you can buy fractional shares and ETFs that track the entire market. 2. High interest savings plus I-bonds minus. If you're risk-averse, put your money in a high-yield savings account or Series M bonds, which protect against inflation. 3. Skill investment. Sometimes the best investment is in yourself. A $100 course on coding, copywriting, or social media marketing can make you thousands down the line. Okay, but can you actually get rich starting with just $100? Absolutely. The secret? Compounding. Even small investments can grow exponentially over time. But let's move up the ladder. If you have $1,000, turning small money into big money. Now we're talking. With $1,000, your options expand significantly. Here's where things get interesting. 1. Index funds and dividend stocks. A diversified S&P 500 index fund has historically returned 10% per year. Put $1,000 in, reinvest dividends, and watch it grow. 2-point REITs, real estate investment trusts. Want to invest in real estate without buying property? REITs let you earn passive income from real estate companies that pay high dividends. 3. Crypto and alternative investments. While risky, putting a small percentage in Bitcoin or Ethereum could pay off big over time. Just don't go all in. 4th side hustle fund. Think about it. $1,000 could buy a camera for a YouTube channel, ads for an online store, or supplies for a handmade business. But wait until you see what you can do with $10,000. If you have $10,000, wealth building mode. Now we're in the big leagues. With $10,000, you can really accelerate your wealth building. Here's how. 1. Rental property. Down payment. Ever thought about owning real estate? With house hacking, you could buy a small property, live in one unit, and rent the rest, letting tenants cover your mortgage. 2. Building an automated business. Want true passive income? Use $10,000 to start a content website, automate a dropshipping business, or launch an Airbnb rental. 3. Private lending and crowdfunding. Lend money on platforms like Fundrise or Lending Club and earn interest like a bank. 4. Scaling investments. By now, your stocks and ETFs should be growing. Double down on your winners and let your money snowball. So, what's the biggest mistake people make when investing? Stick around, because it could save you thousands. Here's the hard truth. If you don't invest, you're losing money every day to inflation. Whether you have $100, $1,000, or $10,000, the most important thing is to start now. Because 1 year from today, you'll either be glad you started or wishing you had. So, what's your next move? Drop a comment and tell me how much you're investing this year. And if you want more deep dives into wealth building strategies, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because the journey to financial freedom, it starts right now.